In this video, we will review the components and building blocks that make up OCI network firewall policies. The network firewall policy is the mechanism used to control how the firewall inspects, allows, or denies network traffic. Every network firewall must have a policy associated with it. Therefore, you must have a policy built before provisioning your OCI network firewall. Network firewall policies are built with policy rules. There are 4 types of policy rules, and they are enforced in this order: decryption rules, security rules, tunnel inspection rules, and NAT rules. Each firewall policy rule is built with different policy rule components. These include lists, mapped secrets, and decryption profiles. Each rule type supports some, but not all, of these components. For each rule type, the individual rules are processed in sequential order, and when creating a rule, you can place it wherever you would like in the rule order. Once a rule is processed and there is a match, it enforces the rule and then does not process any further rules after that within that rule type. If a network firewall policy is associated with an OCI network firewall, then that policy cannot be modified or deleted. To make changes to a network firewall policy, you can build a new policy from scratch and associate it to the network firewall. However, for most deployments, that will be too cumbersome. The recommended approach is to clone the existing policy, which will retain all existing rules, make your changes to the cloned policy, and then associate the cloned policy to the network firewall. This method also gives customers the ability to include a version number in the policy name to keep track, while also maintaining older policies in case they need to revert back. When you associate a new firewall policy to an OCI network firewall, it will take some time for it to apply. During that time, the network firewall continues to process traffic according to the original firewall policy, so there is no disruption. Thank you for watching.